The PowerPoint menus. The menus in PowerPoint are similar with those in Word, Excel, and other Office applications. Here are the PowerPoint menus. File menu. This is the standard menu for Office applications and includes common commands such as new, open, save, and exit. Edit menu includes commands that allow you to edit and manipulate text and cut, copy, and paste them. View menu allows you to choose your presentation view for turning rulers, guides, and toolbars on, for choosing your desired magnification in a particular view. Insert menu. This makes your presentation more interesting by letting you insert various objects and elements in your presentations, such as text box, charts, tables, and pictures. Format menu allows you to change how text, objects, and graphics look, as well as to format alignment, spacing, and other aspects of the presentation. Tools menu contains various PowerPoint tools that you can use, such as spelling and language, as well as commands to customize and set various options. Slideshow menu includes commands that allow you to manage your slideshow, such as controlling animation, rehearsing timings, and setting up your show. Window menu. This is the standard Office application window menu that allows you to format the PowerPoint window. Help menu. This is the help menu common in most Office applications, giving you answer to most common questions in PowerPoint. PowerPoint standard toolbar. The standard toolbar in PowerPoint contains various commands. They are also located in the menu bar, but in the standard toolbar, they serve as shortcut icons that could immediately be clicked. New creates a blank presentation. Open opens the presentation file. Save saves the current presentation or save it as a new file. Print prints the slides in a presentation. Spelling checks the spelling in a presentation. Cut move selected text or object to the memory or clipboard. Copy copy selected text or object to the memory or clipboard. Paste paste contents of memory into the presentation. Undo reverses the last action done. Hyperlink inserts a hyperlink on the presentation. New slide inserts a new slide on current presentation. Chart inserts a chart in the presentation. Font allows you to select your desired font. Font size allows you to select your desired font size. Italics applies italics to selected text. Underline applies underlining to selected text. Align left align selected text to the left. Center center selected text. Align right selected text to the right. Bullets add bullets to selected text. Numbering adds numbering to selected text. Animation schemes allows you to insert animation effects in the presentation.